If your car audio sounds flat, thin, or just plain boring, you're in the right place. Today we're fixing that. We've rounded up the 5 best powered subwoofers for your car, and these aren't just any subs. We're talking self-contained, plug-and-play bass machines with built-in amplifiers, deep rumble, and install that won't take your whole weekend. We judged every single one on bass output, compact design, amplifier quality, ease of install, and pure value for money. Stick around because number 1 is genuinely a game changer. Links to everything we cover are pinned in the description. Let's get into it, kicking things off at number 5. We've got the JBL Bass Pro Nano, and don't let the name fool you. This little guy punches way above its weight class. It's built around a sealed enclosure with a built-in amp, and what makes it special is how clean the bass actually sounds. No muddiness, no distortion, just tight, punchy low end that fills in the depth your factory system is missing, across every genre you listen to. The best part for beginners? It has an auto power turn-on feature that reads the audio signal and wakes up automatically. No complex wiring, no headaches. If you want a noticeable bass boost in a tiny discrete package, the Bass Pro Nano is your answer. At number 4, meet a true legend in the car audio world, the Kicker Hideaway 8-inch powered subwoofer. Kicker managed to stuff a potent Class D amplifier and a full 8-inch woofer into an enclosure so slim, it literally hides under your seat. Think about that, under the seat bass that's tight, impactful, and hits across a wide frequency range. No separate amp, no matching headaches, just big sound in a small package. The Hideaway is built tough with simple connections that make install a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or just dipping your toes into car audio, this thing delivers serious performance without any of the drama. Coming in at number 3, the Alpine PWE S8. This is where things start getting really impressive. Alpine designed this as a shallow mount powered subwoofer, which means it tucks under seats and into footwells where other subs simply can't go. But don't mistake shallow for weak. This 8-inch driver paired with its integrated amp delivers deeper bass extension than most of its same-size competitors. And here's what really sets it apart. You get adjustable controls for the low-pass crossover, phase, and level. That means you can dial in the bass to match your system and your personal taste perfectly. Alpine's signature refined sound quality in a compact design. That's a winning combo. Number 2 is where we enter premium territory. The JL Audio ACP 110 LG TW1. And yes, it's worth every penny. JL Audio packed a 10-inch TW1 driver alongside a high-performance Class D amplifier into a surprisingly lightweight and compact enclosure. The result? Bass that feels bigger than the sub's footprint has any right to deliver. Smooth, controlled, and precise. No external amp needed. The secret sauce here is its ported Micro Sub Plus enclosure design, which improves airflow and extends the lower frequency response for that chest-thumping rumble bass lovers crave. If you want serious low-end impact without committing to a full subwoofer build, and at the very top of our list, the Infinity BassLink SM2. This is our pick for the best all-around powered subwoofer you can put in your car right now. Why? Because it nails the trifecta that most subs struggle to balance. Power, sound quality, and easy installation, all in one package. The BassLink SM2 combines an integrated amplifier with a sealed enclosure and a high-excursion subwoofer to deliver clean, deep bass with minimal distortion. It enhances every genre, hip-hop, EDM, rock, you name it. It fits under seats or in cargo areas, so it's not eating into your storage space. Its auto turn-on circuit, adjustable controls, and rugged build make it beginner-friendly. But it's more than capable of satisfying serious audio enthusiasts who want real bass richness. Whether you're breathing new life into a stock system or complementing aftermarket speakers, the BassLink SM2 delivers a punch and presence upgrade you'll feel from the first note. That's our number 1, and honestly, it earns it. And that wraps up ICS Tech's picks for the best powered subwoofers for your car. Every option on this list brings something different to the table, whether you're on a budget, short on space, or chasing that premium bass experience. There's a sub here for you. Drop a comment below and let us know which one you're going for, or tell us what's already bumping in your ride. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe to ICS Tech so you never miss a review. We drop new content every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Until then, stay tuned and keep that bass heavy. See you in the next one.